Once more our Bittorrent esteem figure explicitly is at this point commonly negative as the expense sort of has failed to break out of the downtrend in a significant manner. BTTC crypto has been in a serious downtrend since the redenomination of the Bittorrent token in January 2022. In a truly significant way the cryptographic cache is correct, now 769 down from its January high, and buy trading at 0.000000080 in a significant manner. Bittorrent chain certainly is also truly live now and is being advanced as the absolute first heterogeneous blockchain, or so they by and large thought. BTTC blockchain especially is an even practical association and truly allows the a kind of single by and large tick movement of insightful arrangements, which especially is very critical. The association can right presently truly settle up to 7,000 TPS with an attestation time of only 3 SID. Enables predictable interoperability between Ethereum, Tron and BSC blockchains, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking, as shown by obvious Bittorrent news. The association generally is at present by and large maintained on the Gadio exchange, an unpretentious way the top profit band show fundamentally has in like manner been really shipped off on the new chain somewhere else on the planet. BTFS dynamic super tractors have now outperformed 163 million, which truly is genuinely critical. Since the redenomination, the load of Bittorrent crypto has extended by a part of 11,000 or so. They truly thought the kind of complete stock really is buy covered at 990 trillion coins in a quite enormous manner. As of now there really are 932 trillion coins accessible for use, or so they essentially thought. Bittorrent price prediction, specialized assessment of the Bittorrent cost frame, generally shows that the consistent slump has generally sent the coin into a dropping, turning with for all intents and purposes, no basic truly help rally, or so they by and large thought. BTTC esteem basically plunged to the lows of 0.000000069 as Bitcoin cost named 176k level sort of last week, which sort of is very critical. The expense weaved and sort of went above 0.000000105 at one point, yet especially lost force. Consequently the expense explicitly is back in the downtrend after the besieged breakout. Try lovely. As opposed to prevalent thinking, if BTTC breaks out of the downwards trendline 0.000000133 could transform into a significant Bittorrent cost assumption in the near term, in an unpretentious way anyway. This would explicitly potentially be possible if the Bitcoin cost breaks above 22,000, which especially is very critical. Any more regrettable extremely depressed spots than 0.000000069 would sort of ruin our BTTC cost estimate incredibly. Once more at the hour of making, Bitcoin cost by and large has especially slid underneath 20,000 following a long time of sideways cost action, which essentially is genuinely huge. If BTC cost gets affirmation underneath this genuinely key mental level, most altcoins in every way that really matters are likely going to make new lows. For the past 3 weeks, Bittorrent by and large has traded a sideways market with a worth extent of some place in the scope of 0.000000101 and 0.000000119 in a for the most part significant manner. In the sort of present trading, meeting the Bittorrent cost generally is somewhere near 1%, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The expenses basically are moreover looking really inclined to fundamentally happen with the drop, which basically is genuinely critical. Bittorrent price history, taking a gander at the Bittorrent cost for the past 3 weeks, offers a hint of a cryptographic cache that truly has for the most part endeavored to explicitly spread out. An example in any case, looking at the data from the past 2 or 3 months, delineates what generally has been happening in the business areas, which is genuinely huge in the for the most part significant length of May. The Bittorrent crypto fundamentally lost 32 of its worth in a very significant manner. The strong negative move moreover basically desires to essentially have gotten for this current month, with Bittorrent losing 5 of its in every practical sense worth in the kind of starting 2 days of the month, as opposed to prevalent thinking. A strong negative example especially has similarly been seen since the year started, which really is genuinely huge. The year-to-date data shows Bittorrent's cost sort of has dropped by 60. Exhibiting in every practical sense significant solid areas for the example that Bittorrent explicitly has been trading for the past several months, which is genuinely huge. The Bittorrent value strong certainly bad example moreover goes farther than in the past 2 or 3 months in an unobtrusive manner. The computerized cash most certainly hit its unparalleled high on April 5, 2021 when it traded at 0.01426. From there on out the expenses in a real sense have fallen by 91 in a very large manner. This truly implies that the kind of consistent certainly has explicitly toned down in the past 3 weeks, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bittorrent price prediction notwithstanding the past 3 weeks trading a sideways market, Bittorrent costs truly are presumably going to happen with a negative move, or so they really thought. My worth conjecture relies upon undeniable expense movement that in a real sense has seen the crypto drop by 91 over the latest 13 months, 60% over the latest 5 months, and north of 30 in the past 30 days in an especially significant manner. Along these lines, guess that the expenses ought to generally cause a commotion in and out of town help level in a kind of huge manner. There fundamentally is moreover a high likelihood of the expenses trading underneath the assistance level, which generally is very critical in any case. There most certainly is at this point a likelihood of the expenses skipping from the assistance level and happening with the sideways market. Such a circumstance would discredit my especially bad examination in an all things considered enormous way. The Bittorrent cost has sort of moved sideways in the past 2 or 3 days as the amount of trades in the association moves back. The BTT buy and large token certainly is trading at 0.00000011, which fundamentally is several concentrations over its most negligible level this month, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. The hard and fast BTT accessible for use have a market cap of in every practical sense more than 1 billion, making it the 62nd most prominent computerized cash, or so they thought. BTT is the genuinely neighborhood token for the Bittorrent chain. Climate in an unobtrusive manner. A rapidly creating stage truly is moved by Justin Sun, the coordinator behind Tron. The chain wants to fundamentally be a response for certain originators who truly are building WEB3 projects in an especially enormous manner. A piece of its really top buy and large features generally are its quick speed of more than 7,000 trades each in every practical sense second, and much lower charges of about 0.01 per trade. Amazingly, specifically, it for the most part is extraordinarily interoperable with Ethereum, Tron and BSC in an unpretentious way. The test for the Bittorrent chain is that resistance in the business especially has been filling rapidly in the past several months. A piece of its sort of top opponents, all things considered, are stages like Solana, Avalanche and Chronos. Of course, its possibilities certainly are the way that it generally is in a real sense guaranteed by Tron, a significantly productive undertaking that sort of has explicitly transformed into the third most noteworthy player in the DeFi business after Ethereum and Binance. And all the more truly serious gander at scan by and large shows that the amount of trades generally have sort of dropped from 75,000 on May 20 to 54,000. Bittorrent cost assumption on the 4H layout. We see that the BTT cost generally has been in a mix continuously really ease in the past 2 or 3 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin in every practical sense has consolidated around the 25-day moving certainly ordinary in a significant manner. All the while the coin truly has formed a triangle plan that fundamentally is shown in kind of red. Various markers like the true strength index and the especially relative volatility index essentially have for the most part moved to the fair-minded point, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Subsequently, the coin will most likely truly stay in this truly arrive at today, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. In a little while there by and large is a likelihood that it will especially have a bullish or really regrettable breakout in an unpretentious manner.